Hey everyone. Yeah, I'm being a bit smart there, aren't I? Taping that down so it doesn't move on my slippery craft mat. So what I'm trying to do is mask off an area that I don't want the focal image to appear on. So that looks a bit crooked to me. Anyway, so stencil, the Crafter's Workshop mini botanical stencil. It's a pretty fern. And I'm using Olive, Ranger Archival. Probably should have graded it a bit. I've just done it really solid. Oh well. I'm looking at the card now and it does seem even, so anyway, so I've done that. That's what it looks like. Another simple card, minimal products again. Again, I've taken the handwritten borders stamp with Sympathy, stamping it again with the olive ink. And I thought it needed a bit more than that, so I'm just going to do some faux stitching along the lines where it was masked off. And that's all it really needs. Well, you got to have bling, I guess. Yeah, measure, Jen. This is going to come together so quickly, because all I do is put the bling on, add a olive coloured matting, and done. How simple but effective is that? Yep. Nice. Probably would have looked nice with the very vanilla cardstock as well, but I've been working with that a bit lately, so I thought I'd just use the white. It's done. Yep. Nice and simple. Next one you're not going to like so much. I don't like it either. It's too busy. But anyway, we'll come to that tomorrow. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will be back tomorrow with another sympathy card. They're never ending. Bye.